It's your boy Justin Omoe here. I'm at the film studio, my film studio, Dynamic Dream Studios. If you don't know, Dynamic Dream Studio has an LED wall, a cyclorama wall. It also has an upstage room, a green room, as well as this room here that we're gonna look at today. This right here, restricted. This is the editing room, not finished whatsoever. So we're gonna definitely need some sound acoustics in this walls, because if I do a little clap, you hear that? That's the sound of reflection. Thankfully, the homies down at Arrowzoom sent your boy some Diffusion Pro panels for us to be able to install in here and have a better listening experience. So these are Arrowzoom's Diffusion Pro panels. These things will scatter your lower end or any sound into the 200 to the 5000 hertz range. These things will capture about 67% of it, it'll absorb, but the rest spreads out. If you look at the back here, you can see there is actually a peel off section where you just peel it and stick it onto the wall. So I can easily just peel it, bam, slap it on the wall, and it's good to go. But they also gave this right here, self-adhesive tape that we can use as well, just in case you're not doing a permanent type of solution. And this right here is high quality oak wood. So not only does it do a good job with its sound absorption and diffusion scattering, it also looks good for the eyes for whoever's wanting to look at you in the camera or at your workplace, wherever it may be that you install this. So whether you're somebody who records music, an instrument, you play back music for a living, or if you just play video games in general, you watch TV or whatever it may be, these little things will help you absorb sound and give you a better listening experience. And as far as I know, Arrowzoom is the only one that really does great details like these, or actually sell these in the first place. And if you're watching this video the day I published it, there is an 11/11 sale that's going on November 11. Yay, 11/11, make a wish. You could wish for 10% off and it'll be granted if you use my code right here, AZ-JO. And if you want to find any other deals or any new products that they be throwing in, go ahead and check them out on their socials as well. But with all that being said, let's actually go ahead and set these up. Thank you, Arrowzoom. Let's go. I'm going to go ahead and peel on two sides like this. Push it down firmly. Cut. I'm going to peel them off like this. And this. Think of the design that I want, and it's just a matter of sticking it on. Here we go. And push, 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 and voila. So let me go ahead and do the rest of them right now. You'll see I did two different methods. One where I put it on first and then put it on the wall immediately after, and the other half I taped it first, left them until all of them were taped, and then stick them all at the same time. I prefer that method where I put them all on first and then stick them on. That way I could pre-plan in the future how to put it on the wall or make sure I do it straight without any OCD issues. So there we go. We have the panels stuck up on the wall. Now in between setting this up, I did have a little bit of a OCD problem. Like, do I do 4 here, 4 in the middle, 4 over there? Or do I do 6 here, 6 there? Or do I continue? As you see, I did a continuous. Because if I did 4 here and then 4 there, and then later on I want to connect it, and it wouldn't have lined up. I don't know. I like it like this. This is good though. This is good. But it does look like we could get a little bit more love. Maybe like 6 panels more or 8. Let's do the clap. There's a huge difference. Just in case you don't remember, here's before. You could pull it out like you've probably seen and adjust it, but just keep in mind if you use the tape method, which by the way, I tried to show y'all, but there's still a whole loop. No, actually 2 loops if you count half and half. 2 loops worth of tape left. So there's definitely extra. You could put a little bit more if you feel afraid it's going to fall down, but I feel like it's confident. I don't think it's going to fall down. I was waiting for some irony to happen, but it wouldn't happen. So yes, a big shout out again to the homies down at Arrowzoom. Thank you for sending these panels. It looks like we could have another 6 on the wall. Wink, wink. But you know what? if I use the code and if you use the code AZ-JO, I could go ahead and get 10% off store-wide, and you can too. Let me know your thoughts down in the comment section below. This is your boy, Justin Omoe. And with that being said, peace. I'm out. Please have yourselves a damn good one.